Hello, it's Mark here from Pari products. We're at a client in East Yorkshire, a beef finishing unit, and we're just here to give you an overview of the Taurus Auto-Sorting Crush. So we'll first explain how the auto-sorting function works, and then we'll go through some of the key features of the crush. So if we head to the back of the crush here, we have an optional extra of a race gate. We'd highly recommend this. This prevents animals bunching up before the automatic entry. So you can still operate this off the remote, like so. So your animal would then come up to the back of the crush. It would automatically open, let the animal in. You would then weigh the animal and then sort through the draft module at the front here, depending on the weight or criteria that you've set it. Then it would then release the animal. So we'll now go on to discuss some of the key features of this crush. So starting at the back of the crush, we have our entry gate. This is a split gate and is fully sheeted. This is the panel that you can operate the controls off, or you operate off a remote. We then move to the vet box. So this here has a function at the bottom to kick round behind the animal and then get in behind if you need to. The Taurus also comes with a 3-piece gate. So you'll have your first gate here, which becomes an EID reader, which will read the tag. You also have a gate here if you're doing clipping, want to clip backs or operate on calves, which then can open up just the whole top gate. Good if you're doing cesareans or something like that. And then you've got the bottom if you want to suckle a calf or clip bellies. This whole gate then will open up. So if you need to get an animal out for whatever reason, you can get full access to the crush. This version has the injection gate. This is very useful if you're doing TB testing. This locks behind the shoulder of the animal and gives easy access into the neck to perform either vaccines or TB testing. We then come to the front of the crush, where we have the head bale. You'll notice this is our unique Pari diamond-shaped yoke. This helps hold the head in place, stops the animal going down, and gives greater support. Also, it's anti-bruise tubing. So we also have our head scoop. One of the key points about the head scoop is it comes down over the top of the animal's head, so stopping it from being able to kick up and really hold it secure to prevent any injury. This is on a mechanical lockbox, which we give a lifetime guarantee on. So we also use the same locking mechanism on the crush, so that it's not relying on the pneumatic pressure to hold the animal. So it's a mechanical lockbox, which we give a lifetime guarantee on. This is your draft module, so you've got your entry gates if you need to get into do work on the animal's head. And then you're obviously through to the draft gates, which you can either operate manually with the remote, or you set up off the macro stock system to draft automatically. The key point of this also is a remote, so you can be working and sorting cattle, you can walk up behind and they can just be flowing through. So we also have this crush in hydraulic version. The main difference between hydraulic and pneumatic is that the hydraulic has the auto head bale catch and the auto squeeze. It also has a lockout function on both the front entry gate and also at the vet box. The main reason for this is if you've got multiple operators and someone was to hit a button, it locks out to prevent an animal coming into the crush or getting out while a vet or operator is still attending on an animal. So it's a key safety feature. So if you're interested in learning more about our auto sorting crushers, give us a call and we're happy to help.